Hey future trailblazers. Welcome to the job fair. Dedicated to freshers all over India. Ready to conquer your career? Let's dive in. Job Seekers Paradise, your ultimate destination for the latest online job opportunities. Whether you are a fresh graduate, a seasoned pro, or exploring new horizons, we simplify finding the perfect job. Our team handpicks openings across industries. Unlock possibilities with us. Subscribe and hit the bell for job news, trends, and insights. Regular uploads keep you ahead of the competition. Finding your dream job takes more than luck, it's being informed. Let's embark on this journey to success and unlock possibilities. Stay tuned for today's job updates, opportunities, tips, and analysis. Amar Research, Viman Nagar, Pune. Email marketing profile, number of positions, 4 shifts, APAC and Europe. Freshers can apply by sending their CVs to hr@advancedmarketanalytics.com. Asant, Mumbai. Student mentor freshers, pass out year 2023. Number of positions 40, joining from mid-September. Send your CV to raj.d@asant.com and cc.jobs@asant.com with the subject line, applying for student mentor role. Tech inspirations. Legal executive, position 4. Should have done an MBA, HR. Candidates who are interested can mail their resume to priya.raghuvanshi@techinspirations.com. Get in touch at +91 7906371309. Square Yards, Noida. Business Development Executive, Sales Associate, experience, 0 to 6 months. Interested candidates can share their resumes at sonali.sonkar@squareyards.co.in or +91 7017918619. Clickmatrix, Gurgaon, on-site. Graphic designers, freshers. Candidates can share their CVs at kamakshi.j@clickmatrix.com. Fablo Platforms hiring freshers. Process executive, voice, US shift. Willing to do night shift 7 p.m. to 4 am. Market research knowledge is a must. Interested candidates can share their resume at Nadira Fareen at fabloplatforms.com. T-Skill Hunters, Pan-India, remote, freshers. Position Catalog Specialist. Interested candidates can share their CVs at anjali.gaur@theskillhunters.com. Influencer Labs, Bangalore, work mode, WFO. Hiring for freshers 2023 pass out. Eligible criteria, B, CS, is, BTech, MCA, 2023 pass out. Duration, 6 months, stipend, 40K. Skills required, Python, Jenkins, SQL injection, AWS, cybersecurity, CI, CD, Docker, containers, Bash, shell scripting, CTF, Linux, Unix, ethical hacking, automation, JavaScript. Share CVs with Shashwati Chakrabarti Priyanka at influencerlabs.in. Rajshri, Worli, Mumbai, WFO. Hiring freshers as well as experienced professionals for our social media team. Job description, social media marketing. Well versed with Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Develop social media strategies and create content across all social media platforms. Proficient in managing all social media platforms. Managing Meta Business Suite and analytics of Instagram. Running ads and campaigns when necessary. Creating and managing the blogs. Kindly mail your updated resumes on careers@rajshri.com. Hiring freshers. Immediate joiners only role, hotel mapping expert, location Gurgaon. Skills required, excellent verbal and written communication, eager to learn and grow with organization. Fluency in Microsoft Office Suite, Outlook, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc. Any graduate can apply. A bachelor in travel and tourism will be preferred. Interested candidates can share their CVs at nimriti.shingari@dcs.net. Company, Integrated Resources, Inc., IRI, Gurgaon. Position, US Pharma Recruiter. Qualification, Freshers B Pharma, BSc, Microbiology, Biotechnology, Food Technology, Chemistry, Botany. Interested folks can share their resume at garima@irionline.com or can reach out at +91 9311574135. Ficus Food Lab. Quality Executive Experience, Fresher, 1 year. Qualifications, Bachelor, Master in Food Technology. Joining, on immediate basis salary, no bar for the right candidate. Requirements. Awareness of food safety. Knowledge of FSSAI guidelines. Knowledge of ISO 22000, HACCP. Maintain specification of raw material, packaging material, finished product and ensuring the product quality by analyzing it in regular intervals. Conduct chemical analysis. Coordinate with external lab sample for analysis purpose. To maintain quality document. You can share your resume on amrita@ficusfoodlab.com. We are hiring freshers for a company based out in Mohali. Qualification, B.Tech CSE, MCA, BCA. Skills basic knowledge of SQL, networking, etc. Please share the CV with jobs at alpha-consultants.in or +91 9041996340. Hiring recruiters with 6 months to 1 year experience. Non-IT hiring candidates with experience in sales hiring will be preferred. Freshers are willing to be a part of a highly energetic performing team. Kindly share your profile at rajeshri.sahanobus@propertypestole.com. Cohance Life Sciences is hiring IIT freshers for project management and quality operations. Students who have completed IIT in 2022 and 2023 are eligible for sharing their resumes to madhvi.p@cohance.com. Prover, Noida Sector 2, WFO, is hiring. Spanish language freshers, B2 level certification along with graduation is a must. Day shifts. Interested candidates can share their CV at ruchika.chaudhary@prover.com. Square Yards, Noida location. Business Development Executive, Sales Associate, experience, 0 to 6 months. Graduate fresher, experienced can apply. Interested candidates can share their resumes at sonali.sonkar@squareyards.co.in or +91 7017918619. Hiring freshers. Email marketing graduation must be completed. Interested ones can drop your resume on hiring@hexawebony.com or +91 8527833551. Wipro Technologies is hiring freshers. Job location, Sector V, Kolkata. Designation, Service Desk Analyst. Shifts, rotational, 5 days of work from the office. Criteria. Only graduate freshers from Kolkata can apply. Should have excellent communication skills, English, verbal plus written. Should have basic knowledge about desktops, computers, VPN, COVALENTO1S365, networks, VDI, Active Directory, etc. Should be comfortable working from an office in rotational shifts. Should have all documents, graduation mark sheet, government IDs etc. Interested candidates can share their updated resume on prakriti.singh1@wipro.com with the subject line, fresher_Kolkata. Genpact hiring, Kolkata, WFO, in US shift timing. Process, accounts payable. Designation, process associate, experience 1 to 2 YRS. Qualification, BBA, BCom, MBA, MCom, only come graduates. Shift, US shift, night shift, 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Interested candidates share their CVs at shubhangi.saxena@genpact.com. Flipkart, Aurangabad, Surat, and Goa. Hiring trainers both freelancers and interns with SCM and logistics, freshers and experience. Contractual job for 2 to 3 months. Job description. Need to train newly hired workforce according to the set processes and standards. Prior training will be given. A laptop is a must. Warehouse and last mile hub will be working at the location. Directly inbox your CV to ankita.bose@flipkart.com or +91 8240743244. A leading manufacturing company in integrated steel and ferroalloys looking for the following positions. Location, Ho, Kolkata. AGM, Sales and Marketing, 3 to 5 years experience in TMT network marketing. Customer Relation Executive 1 to 2 years experience, preferably from a TMT company. Should be able to handle phone calls, ensure customer retention, routine communication with the sales force, and resolve customer complaints. Logistics Executive 3 to 5 years experience with sound knowledge of shipping process and matrix, able to organize stockyard, store, and monitor the distribution of materials to ensure resources are shipped to the appropriate destination. Field Officer, Branding, freshers or experienced. Verification analysis, and brand promotion activities. Location, Kolkata Ho and Market. Assistant MIS Executive 3 to 5 years experience in accounts plus planning, designing, developing, and evaluating with Salesforce as well as the core accounts. Interested candidates may mail their resumes to sarbani@shriramdudgroup.com or WhatsApp at +91 9230997293. Wipro, Kolkata, Hyderabad. Hiring for the IT service desk position. Freshers and experienced both can apply. Education graduation in full-time mode. Skill sets excellent communication skills and technical knowledge. Role purpose. Answer calls and service requests from end users and track status and progress to resolution. Main responsibilities. Adherence to policies and procedures, closure of open calls after resolution. Major activities. Opens, logs, prioritizes, assigns, and closes calls logged in the ITSP. Provides status and updates on tickets to authorized users. Reopens ticket, creates new ticket to follow up if the user indicates that the inquiry was not resolved to their satisfaction. If interested, kindly share the below information on rajashri.sangle@wipro.com. Experis IT, Kolkata. Talent Acquisition Executive, 0 to 2 years of experience, freshers can also apply. Requirement. Graduate. Good communication skills. Knowledge with end-to-end recruitment. Interested candidates kindly share your CV at panasha.chakrabarti@in.experis.com. Genius Consultants Limited. Newtown Rajarhat, Kolkata. Front desk executives, male freshers up to 26 years old with excellent communication skills and good academics to join our team. This is an on-roll position with immediate availability. Please email atapeder@geniusconsultant.com to apply now. Urgently hiring Red Hat certified Linux trainee engineers. Interested candidates are requested to drop their resumes to hr@tetram.com. Mention the location for which the application has been sent, Hyderabad or New Delhi. Requirement. Graduates with Red Hat certification and good communication skills. Must have own laptop and internet connectivity at home. Wipro, Kolkata, Hyderabad, hiring for IT service desk position. Freshers and experienced both can apply. Education graduation in full-time. Skill sets excellent communication skills and technical knowledge. Interview round. Versant round, speech X assessment. Technical round. HR round. Share resume on rajashri.sangle@wipro.com. eduq.com, Kolkata, Bengaluru, Noida. Is hiring for a sharp and competitive business development executive or BDE. Requirements. Bachelor's degree in business administration, marketing, or journalism and mass communication. Strong understanding of sales principles and techniques. Excellent communication and presentation skills. Ability to build and maintain relationships with clients. Strategic thinker with strong analytical and problem-solving skills. Self-motivated, goal-oriented, and able to work independently. Ability to thrive in a fast-paced and dynamic environment. Great opportunity for freshers and experienced to thrive with great exposure. If interested or have any references, kindly share your CV at hr.ishita@eduq.com. Sima Infrastructure Limited latest vacancy 2023, multiple jobs opening in construction company. Opening position. 1. Deputy General Manager. 2. Project Manager. 3. DY. Project Manager. 4. Planning, Billing Engineer. 5. SR. Engineer. 6. Junior. Engineer. 7. Quantity Manager. 8. Quality Engineer. 9. Safety Officer. 10. Safety Stewards. 11. Admin, HR Officer. 12. Account Officer. 13. Store Head Officer. How to apply? Interested candidates may send their updated CVs to hr@sima.co.in. Contact numbers +91 8684000414 +91 8684000419. Sima Infrastructure Limited, multiple jobs openings. Opening position. 1. Deputy General Manager. 2. Project Manager. 3. DY. Project Manager. 4. Planning, Billing Engineer. 5. SR. Engineer. 6. Junior. Engineer. Interested candidates may send their updated CVs to hr@sima.co.in. Contact numbers +91 8684000414 +91 8684000419. We are hiring cloud engineers for the Mumbai, Pune locations. Looking for candidates with min 4 years of experience in cloud security and vulnerability assessment. Interested candidates, please share your resumes on srilakshmi.v@ipsl.co.in. Urgent opening for assistant manager, financial reporting and statutory audit for a retail company in Kolkata. Position 1. A. Minimum of 10 years of experience. B. Only male candidates must apply. C. Must be ACA inter. D. Knowledge of handling accounts finalization as per Indian Accounting Standard, Ind AS. A. Knowledge of balance sheet, BS, preparation and finalization as per Ind AS. F. Knowledge of maintaining accounting standards, handling statutory audits, and sound knowledge of company processes. G. Candidates are preferred from manufacturing organization. Remuneration, up to 60k. Interested candidates, mail resume to hr@careerchronicle.in. Conclusion, we are thrilled to share these exciting job news updates with you. If any of these opportunities piqued your interest, we encourage you to apply with your candidature. For further details about the positions and application process, make sure to visit the Mavens Club LinkedIn page. For those who prefer a more personalized touch, feel free to reach out to us via written mail at hello.jsp23@gmail.com. We would be more than happy to provide any additional information or answer your queries. We want to sincerely thank the Mavens Club for making this job news presentation possible. Their dedication to connecting talented individuals with fantastic job opportunities is truly commendable. If you found this information valuable and want others to benefit from it too, we kindly request you to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help ensure that everyone gets a chance to apply and explore these incredible career prospects. Remember, opportunities like these don't come knocking every day, so let's work together to create a brighter future for all job seekers out there. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing your applications soon.